Hi guys, welcome to Disney Toys Review. Here we have a motorized job site machine set. It's a bulldozer and it has batteries. Look at that. And we have two construction workers, a construction cone, and a construction sign. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. Hi kids, my name is Ringo, and this guy in the blue shirt here is Bob. Hi kids, I'm the bulldozer driver. I'm gonna hop in and show you how to drive a bulldozer today. Alright Bob, why don't you hop in? I'm gonna set up the cones and some construction signs so people know that this is a no entry zone. Alright Ringo, let me get on the bulldozer. Come on Bob, get up there. Get inside, like that. Careful. Alright, slide in there. Alright, there's Bob. He's about to start the bulldozer. Are you ready? Let's see some action. Hey Bob, careful with the sign, okay? I'm gonna put it here so you don't crash into it. And I got one more sign, let me go and bring down too. Now this sign here says, attention, construction ahead. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one down as well, so people know this is a construction site and you have to wear a hard hat and be very, very careful. I'm gonna go and check out the bulldozer. I think I saw some red buttons on top. I'm gonna go and press them and see what happens. Let's go and check them out. I wonder if I press this button here, what happens. Let's press it. Well, actually, let's press the round one first. Wow.
Get your hard hat!
I'm gonna press this one. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pull on this lever and see what happens here. Like that. Whoa, look at that. Here's the back of the bulldozer where we find the ripper. This is actually used to loosen very dense soil. Look how tall it is. It's actually taller than Ringo. This is a very big bulldozer. And here's the track. Look at that. There's a big motor there. And the blade in the front. Let's take a closer look at the track. The bulldozer, and in the front we find this big blade that's used to push soil, debris, and other construction material. But let's see again how that moves. I'm gonna push on this handle right there, just a little bit. Look at that. Let's see that again. This was Disney Toys Review. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and stay tuned on this channel for more exciting videos.